Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, today again I have come up with new notification which is related to Indian Army Group C. So totally overall we have around 107 posts are available. So both male and female can apply. So eligibility criteria when we talk about that 10th or 12th can apply, and also this is notification belongs to 2022, and here we can see number of posts like LDC, MTS, cook, fireman, and etc. Still we have more posts. So watch this video to see more details about the notification. So let's start our video to see more details about this notification. Friends, basically this notification is belongs to Artillery Center Nasik, School of Artillery, Devlali, and Artillery Records, Nasik Group C, Recruitment 2022. So friends, post name, we can see more posts are available like currently LDC, model maker, carpenter, cook, range, lasker, fireman, artilasker, barber, washerman, MTS, gardener or head gardener, MTS watchman, MTS messenger, MTS safaiwala, and MTS lasker, equipment repairer, and MTS. So location is Nasik in Maharashtra. So about the recruitment, the Indian Army is operationally and geographically divided into 7 commands with the basic field information being a division. Below the division level are permanent regiments that are responsible for their own recruiting and training. So friends, let's see more details about this. So important dates are application starts from December 25th to 2021, and last date will be ending in the month of Jan 21 2022. So we have around 40 days time to apply for this notification. So applications will start from 25th December. So I will update the notification in our description. So application fees, there is no any application fees for this notification. You can apply without zero fee. Age limit, minimum age is 18 years, maximum age is 25 years. As per age relaxation, there is a relaxation for as per the category wise. And also for LDC we have around 27 posts. For model maker we have around 1 post, carpenter 2 posts, cook we have 2 posts, and range lasker 8 posts, fireman 1 post, artilasker 7 posts, barber 2, washerman 3, MTS gardener and head gardener 2 posts. For MTS messenger we have around 9 posts. For MTS safaiwala we have around 5 posts. For size we have around 1 post. MTS lasker there is 6 posts, and equipment repairer 1 post. MTS again it is like MTS 20 posts. So totally overall we can see 107 posts are available. So 107 posts are there currently in Nasik Artillery School. So examination center will be at Nasik center. Okay, so it is also like artillery school, means in the sense it's like army school. And also we can see eligibility criteria for the posts. Name of the post LDC. For LDC we can see around 27 posts. So eligibility for LDC is 12th pass is must, and typing will be there in your skill test like 35 word per minute. Hindi and English both will be there. Desirable is it's only desirable if you have any computer concepts certificate, it will be desirable for you. And also model maker, we have only 1 post for model maker. So for model maker 10th pass is like recognized board is must, and also ITI training or drawing mathematics should be like mandatory. For carpenter 2 posts are there. 10th is must, and also ITI certificate is also must. So for cook 10th should be passed, and also must should have knowledge in Indian cooking or proficiency in trade. So for cook there is like they don't need any certificate into trade. You have to know the knowledge of Indian cook or proficiency in trade. And equipment repairer, we have around for equipment repairer also 1 post, and also 10th should be passed must, and should be able to carry all canvas, textile, leather repair replacement. You have to have the knowledge of equipment like leather related products. And also size, we have to pass the 10th and also desirable conversant with the duties of the respective trades. For barber we have around 2 posts, 10th must and should be passed, and also desirable 1 year experience in trade. So for like any other saloons or any kind of such, you have to have 1 year, around 1 year of experience into the trade. And washerman also 10th class from the recognized board or university, you have to must and should pass, and also must be able to wash and iron the military or civilian clothes thoroughly well. You have to know to how to wash the vessels or how to do the iron. You have to know some knowledge regarding that. And also MTS aid gardener, MTS watchman, MTS safai wala, MTS messenger, MTS laskar, range laskar, RT laskar, and MTS. So overall we have around 20, overall we have more posts are in MTS. So for this all 10 should be passed and desirable in accordingly 1 year of experience in the particular trade. The next part is salary for the posts. For LDC model maker, carpenter, cook, fireman, you will get around 19,900 basic. For MTS equipment repairer and barber, washerman, you will get around 18,000 basic. After like DA and allowance, you will be getting around 24 plus. Okay. So friends, now let's see about document required. So you have to send mandatory mark sheet of essential education qualification. If you are if you are applying for LDC, you have to send your 12th certificate along with your 10th certificate. If you are applying for any rest of the post for watchman, gardener, MTS, for that 10th is mandatory. So you have to 10th mark sheet, like without missing that 10th mark sheet. And also next we can see about the birth certificate. If you don't have your birth certificate, you can send your school leaving certificate or matriculation certificate, will be fine for your instead of your birth certificate. And next you have to send one self addressed envelope, duly affixed with ₹5 stamp on postal stamp on your empty envelope. You have to send one empty envelope by mentioning your self addressed, and also paste ₹5 postal stamp on that self addressed envelope with empty. You have to send along with your application. And one latest passport size photography duly attested by self on back side of the photograph. And the next is, if anyone applying under ex-serviceman person, you have to send a duly attested by Jilla Sainik Welfare Officer PPO or any matriculation certificate as applicable. And employment registration, this is all like regarding for ex-serviceman. Experience certificate, they had mentioned like particularly trade knowledge should be there. If you have any trade knowledge, you have to send your experience certificate along with your application. Photocopy of caste certificate, if you are applying under the category wise for SC or ST or OBC or EWS, you have to send your caste certificate also along with your application. If candidate applying for PHP, means physically handicapped, if you are applying under PHP, you have to send disability or medical certificate issued by the civil surgeon of the government hospital. So then only they will consider you as a physically handicapped. Written examination and practical test will be held at examination will be conducted at the Nasik Center, Maharashtra. So scheme of examination: general intelligence and reasoning, numerical aptitude and general English and general awareness will be there, like regarding into your written examination. Application should be forwarded to the Commandant Headquarter, Artillery Center, Nasik Road, Camp, PIN 422102. This is your postal address where you have to send your application to the Commandant Headquarter, Artillery Center, Nasik Road, Camp, PIN number you have to mention particularly without missing any one single digit. So in the front page of your application envelope, you have to mention application for the post of like as per your post which is desirable to you. And also in category, which category you are applying particularly, you have to mention your category also. If you are applying under SC or ST, you have to mention category wise accordingly in the front page of your envelope which you are sending to the Commandant Headquarter, Artillery Center, Nasik Road, Camp. This is your postal address. Okay. So friends, this all about the notification details about the Artillery Center, Nasik Road. Still, if you have any doubt regarding this notification, you can mention your doubts in the comment section so that I can reply for your valuable comments accordingly by clearing your doubts. And also notification link will be provided at the video description. You can click on that link, you can download the notification, you can have a look on that notification, then only you can apply for this post. So and also application will be attaching as soon as once I get the update from the website. So no need to worry about the application also. So friends, this is all about the Group C civilian recruitment of Artillery Center. So you can apply for this notification also. So friends, when comparing to Air Force Group C civilian recruitment, for this Group C civilian artillery center, competition will be very less. So please try to apply for this notification. And finally friends, please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to get more details about the civilian recruitment. Okay. Thank you so much friends. Thanks for watching this video.